Welcome to our retirement, folks. We've arrived, folks. It's taken us 4 hours to get here. That's where we're parked. Walk round to the hotel. I'm bussing for a pee, and so is Pat. And she's up there, legging it to hotel, to reception. Well, first thing's a toilet. Oh, in here, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think a cream tea we might have to order at the bar, Pat. Right, we're here. It's 20 to 3. We've got checked in and we've come into the brasserie for our afternoon cream tea. So we thought we'd have that straight away. There's Pat's cream tea. Where's mine? Well, they're checking in when we arrived at what? Eh? Oh, look, Pat. The pool. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Really? Did you mention anything about the pool?
Courtyard rooms and lounge.
Mm.
Do you think we should have a look?
Leisure hotel reception. Oh, we've got another reception there. Oh. There's an outside pool.
Oh, right. Oh, it goes down a long way, doesn't it? This is the outdoor pool there in the middle, or in the summer. Wow.
Access to the outside facilities is via the leisure club and spa. Mm.
Oh, it's warm.
Is that the steam room over there? Look, I can see a leg.
Yeah, looks like it.
Oh, there's people sat outside.
Eh?
Reading over there.
What?
Do you think that's a jacuzzi?
Oh, it's a bit this. She sat in the thingy bob.
A jacuzzi?
Yeah. Somebody cleaning here. This is it here, Pat. This is our room here. Pat,
Very.
this is our room. There's your telly over there. Have a look outside. Oh, there's somebody out there. I won't film. Wow, swimming.
Nice bathroom. Shower.
Up there.
Oh, they're just marks
Hmm.
on there, aren't they?
Yeah. We've been into his room, as you've seen. I've had a shower and come into this bar. This is the only, in this massive hotel, this is the only lounge, only seating area. It's a bit disappointing.
There is another room, but it's not. There's nobody in it.
Nobody in it. It says it ain't heated. It's not very warm.
Yeah.
But I thought it was.
Comfortable sitting
Yeah,
area,
yeah,
you know,
yeah. Just this place. Yeah.